Right. Hello, hello. Welcome. I did forget. Did I forget? No, it's fine. Right. We sort of got things going yesterday. It seems like everything's working except that I don't see a window. Uh, but there are a few things which I'm not exactly sure of. Well, this unhandled event, and the width and height never gets set. Yeah, and a few things that way, like that. So I'm gonna address those today, and hopefully we can get a window going. So I need my favorite new website. Right. The first thing you want to check is my window width. That does look right. Width times height times size of pixel. I wonder why I used an I-32. I think this should just be U-32. Although I think they're both for bite size. Maybe. I don't think that was it, but okay. And the next thing I want to check is what is that top level event? Ah. XDG top level 0, 1 to 3. Oh, it's a capability, sorry. Actually, I was thinking yesterday, maybe I should set a title. Maybe it's here. CG top level, set title. Divided by the compositor. Guess after configure, maybe. I can just reuse this. Right string. Is it right? Right off. I'm gonna grab this. And then This is bind. Yeah. Set maximized. Grab this and then call this set title. This will be slice of const u8. And it needs top level service ID and title. To request, can I just make it an anonymous struct? And then title. Title and you know what? Don't even need that here. Size of header. Right age. Grab this. Equals request. Header equals header. Don't need this. Title line is u32. Title is slice of const u8. Title dot len. I need a buffer. Const buff is, let's say, 128 u8 undefined. Writer is standard dot io dot fixed. Writer dot fixed. It takes a buffer. I need padding. Padding is title in size. Title dot len minus title. writer dot can't remember. Write int and it's write all. Okay. I guess in that case I don't need this or this. And inside needs a type u32. Writer dot write struct value endian. Any type h and then dot little. I guess this can add a, yeah. And try writer dot write int. It's the same is title dot len a little. Actually, I might need to cast this because otherwise, will it not write? Oh, it needs a type. Needs a type. Okay, that makes sense. Impulse u32. And try writer dot write all. Title. Is that it? Yeah. And then I gotta add the padding. Try writer dot, what's it called? Splat byte all. Yep. U8 and then it's gonna be null and padding. Okay, don't need this. Message will be equal to writer dot buffered. Is it small b or yeah? I guess I can now set title. Level and let's say wayland. Right. I mean, I'm not very hopeful, but expected type slice of u8 found. Right. That's weird. Okay. It's a U size. So this should be as U32 and cast. Oh, hang on. It might be the right side. No, it is the left side. I don't know if the right side will work either. Expected type io.writer, found const io.writer. Okay. Right int. How did I do this before? Bind ID len. What is bind ID? No, where's the interface? Bind ID.len. Why did I do that? Isn't that wrong? It should be interface.len. Oh, maybe len is just okay. It's the length of the interface. Oh, fair enough. Okay. I mean, that works, I think. I'll leave it. Right. To sort this out, I guess the easiest thing to do is I can just use yep, righto, adding. Where's all the cast gone? All right, here. Okay, padding. This would be U32, and then title underscore len minus title underscore len. That padding. Okay, that should work. Cast. Wayland server disconnected. Why did Wayland server disconnect? What does set client, set title do? Set title. Where surface in the taskbar, compositor string must be encoded in UTF-8. Standard UTF. I mean, I could just let me dump that, see what it looks like. This message. Oh, it's the wrong opcode as well. Forgot about that. Header op is not 9. 0, 1, 2. Okay. I mean, I still don't see the window. Wayland, where is my window? Set parent. I think I'm gonna go back to Wayland book. Live Wayland in depth, Wayland util primitives. I wonder if I could look at, was it user lib include maybe? User lib, not LibreOffice. How do you, can't remember. Lib, find lib. I don't know, it's weird. Lib. No, where did I find? Oh, hang on. I think I know where to look for it. Because there are like some common parts where it looks Zig. Link system. If I go to build.zig, link system library. Forgot about this xfriend. Where does it look for? Why non target? Clib name. I did find it, but I can't remember how. Lib wayland client. And I think here you can find wayland. That's the XML. What is core? Wayland utils server private OS wayland client. That's the header file. It's fatal letter, protocol letter. Oh, but what's this? Could release. They might be like generating the code from XML, if I remember correctly. Proxy destroy. Get. It's the XDG. Okay. Connect socket. Will display. Display connect to it. Debug is get AMV will and debug. Connect to wayland display. Okay, there we go. WL display connect. Connection get me wayland socket. If connection blah blah. Right, just check if there's something to read, I guess. Unset EMB wayland socket. Wayland display connect to FT. I guess that's the socket FT. Close connection. Display get FT. And done is data done equals 1. Callback destroy callback. Is that the only thing that callback does? Callback listener. What is sync callback? Oh, okay. Because I think that's when you call sync, that's when you get the callback. Event. Display round trip. Param Q and Q return 0 on success -1 if it's not empty. Mutex. No, I mean none of this is making any sense to me. Right. Let me just go back to doing that. Gotta check the book. Wayland due to primitive. Wayland scanner proxies resources. What's that? Both client and server that has some state changes to which are negotiated over the wire. On the client side, libwayland offers to these objects through the WL proxy interface. These are concrete C-friendly proxy for the abstract object and provides functions which are indirectly used by client to marshal request into the wire format. If you look at wayland client core.h file, you'll find a few low-level functions for this purpose. On the server, objects are abstracted through WL resource, which is fairly similar but have an extra degree of complexity. Which object belongs to which client? Yeah, that is right. Each WL resource is owned by a single client. Aside from this, pretty much the same. Okay, interface and listeners. WL surface, enter, leave. Creating a display. WL display connect. What did I do early on? Sets con, yeah. And it'll display event. Probably this is the first one we get. Is it? What does this return? Play event returns a U32. Let's see what this is. Display event data. Debug, right? Play event. Just gonna call this D. It returns a 3. What does that even mean? Is that the first one? Okay. What is display event 1? Wayland delete ID. When a client deletes an object that it had created, the server will send this event to acknowledge that it has seen the delete request. When the client receives this event, it will know that it can safely reuse the object ID. Delete ID. I wonder if that's the sync ID. Display event is 3. Yeah, it is the sync ID. Okay, nothing there. The next is the registry event. Guess registry has only one event. Oh, there is another one. There is an unreachable there, so I don't think that ever. Oh, we bind to the event here. Callback ID. This is the sync event response. Okay, wayland debug. Is there a way to get wayland events? Server events for no. Critical design patterns, high level wayland design. This is interfaces. Can I set wayland debug to 1. I guess worth a shot. Zig build. How did I do that? Wayland 1. Zig out. I don't know what. Oh, because I can set wayland debug to 1. Wayland tracker tracer WL dump WLDBG. Wayland get debug events. Maybe in the book. What about here? There's a Western debug. Let me check the ghosty again. Wayland debug ghost. District global WLSHM SHM. XDGWM base activation. Debug. Get registry, callback, asset sync, asset delete ID. Ooh, okay, these are I think events from Wayland. So it returns the compositor, and you bind the compositor, you get some subcompositor. You bind the subcompositor. I can ignore this. WL data device manager. Fractional scale, keyboard. Output manager. What is this? These are the other globals. They bind to compositor, subcompositor, data device manager, fractional scale manager, and keyboard stuff, and the output manager. Primary selection device manager. Okay, these are the rest of the globals. Bind SHM, yep. WP viewporter, not sure what that is. They do bind to that as well. Okay, so these are the global events. What happens after? Global bind. Get XDG output. New ID is ZXDG output. What is get XDG output? They don't call the surface at all. What do they? Grateful. Excuse me. Build seat. Build output geometry. Output done. Okay. Global WM compositor, subcompositor. But these are the globals again. I already have these. Callback done. Display sync. Okay, WL compositor create surface. They do create a surface. Fractional scale manager, get viewport. And then there's an error. DGWM base. You need that to create the surface. I think I want to check if I get a ping event. XDGWM base. Say build run. This surface event, surface ID. There's no ping event. Top level event 3. What was that again? Problem capabilities. Oh yeah, I checked this before. Oh, I don't know what I'm missing. Okay, I mean, I think need to set one of these up. Wayland connection processor redundancy. Wayland tracer. Protocol dumper for Wayland. It can be used to trace what's on the wire between the compositor and the client, which can be useful for debugging, and is superior to Wayland debug in some aspects. Actually, how do you use Wayland debug? Wayland client, Wayland debug. To debug a Wayland client, you can use Wayland debug tool, which allows you to view the filter messages. You can run the command wayland debug -r program. But I would need, I think it's a, yeah, I saw this yesterday. Oh, okay. Wayland debug 1 is the lib waylands. Okay, that's why. Oh, that makes sense. Okay. Should I get? Oh, maybe let's get this. See what happens. Wayland. There are other ones I could try. Wayland tracer. Let's try this one. I have to like build it myself. Wayland protocol dumper. WLBG, a wayland connection processor. What's this? I don't know what that is. Terminal your application that acts as a wayland proxy, monitors and displays the wayland connection states such as current surface tree. Is it in Go? No. I don't know. Wayland utils. I guess if you need, you gotta like build one of these. Why didn't that work again? It's not available on stable, but it's available in all the following channels. That's fine. Right, I think there's like too many warnings. Let's try something else. I don't know what that is either. Well, I think there's a few things that I'm not sure of. I think I should start there. Is well, these, and I guess these. Okay. The wayland display. Creating a display. Well, I guess this. Display connect for wayland servers. Display create. Right. Yeah, then that works pretty good. Incorporating an event loop. Well, bubbles and registry. This one, buffers and services. Apparently, the whole point of the system is to display information. Buffers and surfaces governed by respectively W buffer and W surface interfaces. Pay container for some underlying pixel storage and supply to clients with number of methods. Using WL compositor. Add memory buffers, Linux DMA buff, surface roles. Yep. SDG surface, application window. Yep, that's the SHM file. Allocate struct client side. Oh, there was another example that I had. Oh, but I don't have it anymore. Right. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I'm like completely stuck. Might need to figure out another way to get. Let me recheck the events. Am I not handling? One callback ID. Actually, apart from these, and the debug. So print. Unhandled event. Something. Don't know yet. Thing. Header.op. If I'm not wrong. Header.object ID. Okay, and then might have to like chain these up. else. Back event. But actually this is wrong because it should be able to handle other events. Yeah, I can't do that because there can be like multiple object IDs. Although it's not unhandled. What is event ID 8? Surface ID 9 is top level surface ID. 9, event 5. Guess this is, what is event 5? Well, it might be SHM format. WLSHM ID. Where is it assigned? Interesting. I don't see the ID. 7, 8, 5, 9. Oh, because it calls the new bind ID. That's why. Okay. This seems like there's 2 more events here. How come they're not handled? Oh no, they are, because it's just reprinting. Yeah, I have no idea why I don't see a window. Alright, I might have to watch someone else do this and then figure out what I'm doing wrong. I don't think I'm getting anywhere today. Right, sounds like a problem for tomorrow. Yeah, I mean, I will get it. It's just a matter of when. Right, okay. All right, I hope you have a good one. I mean, that was quite disappointing. But that's okay. That's part of the process. I'll see you back tomorrow. All right, have a good one.